Let me begin this video by describing the problem. You have a square that is inscribed in a larger square. If the area of the inner square is 100 square units and the area of the corner triangle is 24 square units, what is the area of the circle as shown? Recall that the formula for the area of the square is side squared. Since the area of the inner square is 100, we get 100 equals s squared. Take the square root of both sides to get s equals 10. The side measures of the inner square is 10 units. Let this angle be alpha and this angle be beta. Let's now focus on this right triangle. We know that the sum of all three angles in any triangle is equal to 180 degrees. Therefore, alpha plus beta plus 90 is equal to 180. We know that a straight angle has a measure of 180 degrees. Since this is a right angle, we can conclude that this angle must be alpha, because the sum of beta, 90, and alpha is 180. Using the same concepts, this is beta, this is alpha, this is beta, this is alpha, and this is beta. Since all four right triangles contains alpha and beta, and the sides between those angles are also congruent, therefore all four right triangles are congruent by the angle-side angle, or ASA congruence theorem. Recall that congruent triangles have the same area. Since this right triangle has a given area of 24 square units, therefore the area of each of the other three right triangles are also 24 square units. We already know that the inner square has an area of 100, so the total area of the large square is 100 plus 24 plus 24 plus 24 plus 24. The area is 196. The area of a square is side squared, so s squared is equal to 196. Take the square root of both sides to get s equals 14. Each side of the entire square is 14 units long. Assume this distance is m. Therefore, this distance is 14 minus m. Congruent triangles have congruent corresponding sides, so this distance must also be m. We will now focus on this right triangle, so let's zoom in. The center of the circle forms a square with side lengths of r, which is the radius measure of the circle. Using segment addition, this segment must be 14 minus m minus r, and this segment must be m minus r. According to intersecting tangents theorem, two tangents of the same circle that intersect at the same point are equal in length, which means this is 14 minus m minus r, and this is m minus r. Using segment addition, 14 minus m minus r plus m minus r is equal to 10. Let's write it down. Negative m plus m cancels each other. Negative r plus negative r is equal to negative 2r. Transpose 14 to the right side to get 10 minus 14. Ten minus 14 is negative 4. Divide both sides by negative 2. So the radius is 2 units. Finally, the area of a circle is pi times radius squared. Substitute r equals 2 into the expression. 2 squared is 4, so the area of the circle is 4 pi square units.